fintech, and how it will change the way we bank. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends in finance and technology. Today, we're going to talk about the growing popularity of fintech startups and how they're changing the financial industry. First, let's define fintech. Fintech stands for financial technology, and it refers to any technology that is used to improve or automate financial services. Fintech companies are disrupting the traditional financial industry by offering faster, cheaper, and more convenient services to consumers. The fintech industry is growing rapidly, with startups popping up all over the world. In fact, global fintech investment reached $111.8 billion in 2018, up from $50.8 billion in 2017. One of the areas where fintech startups are having a big impact is in the investment industry. Robo-advisors, for example, are automated investment platforms that use algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios. They are often cheaper than traditional investment advisors and can be accessed easily from a mobile device. Mobile payments are another area where fintech startups are shaking up the financial industry. Mobile payment apps allow the users to make payments directly from their smartphones, without the need for a physical credit card. This makes payments faster and more convenient. Peer-to-peer lending is also gaining popularity, thanks to fintech startups. These platforms connect borrowers directly with investors, cutting out traditional banks and their fees. They often provide better rates for borrowers and higher returns for investors. Finally, fintech startups are also helping people manage their money better. Budgeting apps, for example, allow users to track their spending and set financial goals. They can also provide personalized advice and recommendations to help users save money. As you can see, fintech startups are changing the financial industry in many ways. With the use of technology, they're providing faster, cheaper, and more convenient services to consumers. Stay tuned for more videos on the latest trends in finance and technology. Don't forget to like and subscribe.